Today we're doing salmon patties. I saw a comment on there and my daughter said she would like to have some. These things, nothing stinks up the house quite like these things. People that wanted less fancy fish recipes, these are kind of like a crab cake and very simple to make, very easy. They go with about anything. We usually eat them with beans and stuff, but 2 cans of salmon, I picked the bones out and I've got that slimy ass skin off there, but you can leave that in there if you want. So, we're gonna need 1 egg, we're gonna need about a tablespoon of parsley and a teaspoon of salt and pepper. We're gonna need about a cup of breadcrumbs. We're gonna need 1 onion. We can get the stinking thing peeled. Now we're going to want this pretty fine. One of my childhood friends on there was talking about the fish I'd made. She lived in Alaska for about 16 years, said she had to eat salmon for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I couldn't even imagine that. Luckily, I have the stove hood vented to the outside like it's supposed to be, and I should be able to get this smell out of the house. Can't think of much that smells worse than a canned salmon, but they do smell, they do taste pretty good. All right. Now we get in here and break up all the fish and the egg and incorporate the breadcrumbs and onion and stuff. All right, that's what we should look like. Now we're going to make these into patties. About big as a hamburger, but hell, you can make them bigger or as thick as you want. I like them about a 1/2 inch thick. But I'm going to go ahead and get the rest of these pattied out, and I'm going to fry them off and show you what they look like in the end. These will fry until they start to get golden brown around the edges, then we'll flip them. The house is already smelling like whodunit and something that's been left in the sun too long, but they will be good. We got our salmon patties fried off. We're going to hit them with a little bit of salt. Can't wait to taste one. It's been a few years. Now, these got good crust. Should be seasoned well. Those are great. Be better with a bowl of beans and some fried potatoes. We used to eat them with a little bit of everything. But definitely a winner.